Are you looking for the best hammer drills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hammer drills that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Black+Decker hammer drill. Black+Decker is a tool manufacturing company that is known around the globe. Its hammer drill is certainly one to be reckoned with. If you need to accomplish a tough job around the house, this hammer drill is designed to help you out. The tool features a large 6.5A motor and 2 drill settings that range in power and torque. The first setting ranges from 0 to 2,800 RPM, while the second will deliver up to 48,000 RPM, which is one of the strongest on our list. You will also find the tool has a keyless 1/2-inch single-sleeve chuck that can hold several sized bits. Plus, its 3-position side handle is comfortable and grippy, making it much more simple to hold and operate with 2 hands. Moving on at number 4. We have the PorterCable 20-volt max hammer drill. Another high-powered hammer drill is the 20-volt max model from PorterCable. The tool can deliver up to 27,200 BPMs and features a 2-speed gearbox with 400 to 1,600 RPMs, depending on the setting you choose. It also includes a 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck and 23 different clutch settings, so you can fit different sized bits designed for whatever job you have in mind. One of the best features of this device is its built-in battery charge monitor. You won't have to guess how much battery you have left, as the hammer drill includes a screen that keeps you up to date on the battery level. At number 3, we have the Bosch Bulldog Xtreme Concrete Masonry Rotary Hammer Power Drill. This 7.5 amp hammer drill has 3 modes: rotation only, rotary hammer, and hammer only. It comes with a variable speed trigger, including reverse, for ease of use and accuracy. It includes vibration control and an ergonomic handle for more comfort and optimum control while drilling overhead or downward. This 300 RPM drill delivers 2 foot-pounds of impact energy. The grip is comfortable, and the weight helps keep the action smooth. The control settings are easy to read and simple. It's versatile and has plenty of power to remove tiles and makes quick work out of otherwise strenuous tasks, such as demo work. It cuts through cement and masonry like it's butter. At number 2, we have the SKIL hammer drill. The first thing you may notice about the SKIL hammer drill is the way it looks. It's designed to be more streamlined and user-friendly, allowing the user to grip it with 2 hands instead of 1. This increases its stability, comfort, and grip so you can tackle more difficult jobs a little bit easier and more accurately. This hammer drill comes with a reliable 7.0 amp motor for the toughest jobs around the house or shop. Doubled with its 1/2-inch keyed chuck, the device is capable of accepting large diameter bits built for woodworking and cutting. And finally at number 1, we have the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Lithium-ion Brushless 3-speed hammer drill kit. This drill features a high-efficiency, brushless motor and a high-performance transmission for fast application speeds and better runtime. It has 250 BPM for a fast drilling speed on masonry materials. It comes with 220 volts Max XR high-capacity lithium-ion batteries and a 3-mode LED light. This well-designed drill is heavy-duty, compact, reliable, and powerful. It eats through concrete, has high torque, is very versatile, and the transmission with the extra speed range makes it easy to control. The battery seems to run forever, which is good if you're using the drill for an extended period of time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friends. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.